Hi everyone. I am going to show you in a few quick steps how to use SafeAssign. SafeAssign is a tool that you will notice popping up in your week 6 module. And what it does is it checks a paper or your paper. Once you submit it, it checks it for plagiarism and to make sure that you're citing your sources correctly. So I'm just going to take you through the process. I'm in Dr. Pettit's Ed 503 course, and you will notice in week 6, we'll just go down to your week 6 module and open that up, that in the information for literature review folder, there is an item in here called SafeAssign. So when I open up the Safe Assignment, you'll see the instructions for posting and a little explanation as to what Dr. Pettit wants you to do with this. And when you're ready to submit your paper, you just click this link here, this View Complete. And that is going to open up the Dropbox, and you can type a message in here. And choose your file. So this is the file you're going to submit to SafeAssign. And I have a file on my desktop that will pull up here. And it attaches, and I'm going to submit. So at this point, it doesn't look like anything has happened. It just takes me to the next step in the module. But if I wait a few minutes and click back on Safe Assignment, it should show me that I submitted the paper. So I go back into Safe Assignment, I view Submit, and it shows me here that I submitted the paper. It gives me a time of submission, and it allows me to actually go in. If I click this, I can download the file that I submitted. So once I submit this, I have to wait a little bit, and my information or my report will come back to me. When I'm ready to view my report, again, I have to wait a little bit. It takes some time to come back, and depending on what time of the semester it is, it might take a little bit longer than other times, but usually it's a pretty speedy turnaround. I would say, wait 15 minutes, 30 minutes or so, you can go back in and you should have your report. So what you're going to do is just go back into SafeAssign, and you're going to view your report. And this is the same place where you went and it showed that you submitted your report. Now I have my SafeAssign report right here, and it shows me that in my report 2% of my paper matches something else. So I click on my little SafeAssign report here, and it opens up my paper, and it shows me under suspected sources where there might be problems with the paper. So here it shows number 1. If I scroll down the paper and I find number 1 down here, it shows me that I have a problem with with the way I cited this source here. So I will have to go back and fix that. So just pay attention to your report up here, and it will show you any suspected sources and where you might have issues, and you can go back in and you can fix those sources. Okay, so this is just the report. The SafeAssign report, and that's what it looks like. You can save the report here to your disk, or save it to your computer, or you can print this out. I'm going to close this up. Again, you can download your paper here. So this is your original paper you downloaded, but when you download it, it does not it doesn't come in with your report or any indication of the report on here. That's just the actual paper you downloaded. Okay, this text file, if I click on this text file, it just opens up a web-based version of your paper. This is your actual file that you can save back to your computer, and this is your SafeAssign report. Now, one last thing I want to show you is once Dr. Pettit once Dr. Pettit looks at your paper, you can go to My Grades, and under the Safe Assignment, it will show you your score on your paper, and you can click here, and any any feedback Dr. Petty gives you will show up right here. And then you can also click on this and it should take you back to your Safe Assign. I hope that was helpful and good luck on your process.